In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off quick website search in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and the first step, we need to head over to Settings. In Settings, scroll down until you find the Safari. And basically, guys, that's where we can find quick website search. If we get into it, down below it says that we can use smart search field to search within websites by typing the website name as part of your search, as long as that option is turned on. That's where we can turn it off and on. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.